A pressure cooker is a fast and affordable way to prepare meals using steam and a specially designed airtight pot. The main components of a stovetop pressure cooker are the pot with a sealed lockable lid and a vent pipe with a pressure regulator. Liquid is boiled inside the sealed pot, creating steam and pressure, which cooks the food. It's important to check your pressure cooker for any dents or cracks, which could cause it to release steam unexpectedly. You can brown meats and poultry directly in the pressure cooker pot or in a separate pan. Pressure cookers require liquid to generate steam. After you put the food in the cooker, add 1/2 to 1 cup of liquid, depending on the type of pressure cooker you're using. Lock the lid securely in place. Turn your stovetop burner on high for a few minutes before placing the pressure regulator on the vent pipe. Heat the pressure cooker until the pressure regulator begins a gentle rocking motion. Start a timer and cook according to your recipe instructions. When the cooking time is complete, turn off the heat and let the pot's pressure reduce on its own. To avoid severe injury, never open the lid without first releasing the pressure. Using caution, tilt the pressure regulator to confirm all the steam has escaped. This safely reduces the pressure before opening. Open the lid and enjoy your pressure-cooked meal. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.